Hey friends, consumer attorney Rob Nahum here. I wanted to take a few minutes today to answer the question whether or not you need to continue to make mortgage payments during the corona economy. Jobless numbers are skyrocketing. The unemployment rolls are really taking off, and a lot of workers have had hours cut back. The burden to continue to make mortgage payments is more than many workers can bear. The federal government has recognized this, and as part of the federal stimulus spending bill that they passed, the CARES Act, as part of the CARES Act, they have provided a little bit of mortgage relief for certain mortgage borrowers. The CARES Act applies to borrowers that have federally backed mortgages. So what is a federally backed mortgage? The federal government is not a lender, they're not a bank, but they are a guarantor of loans, right? So if you have a loan that was originated with a bank, that loan may be guaranteed by the government. Most federally backed loans are loans that are owned by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. Now, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac is not the company that you're going to be interfacing with. They're not the company that you send your mortgage payment to, and it's not the company that sends you your mortgage statement. That is a loan servicer. So how do you know if your loan is owned by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac? Well, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have each created web portals where you can go and search based on your address whether or not your loan is owned by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. If in fact your loan is owned by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, which most are, then you are going to be the beneficiary of the little bit of relief that has been provided in the CARES Act. Okay, so what's the relief? Number one is it's a 60-day moratorium, a 60-day stay on all foreclosures. So if you're currently in foreclosure, or if you're on the precipice of foreclosure, there's going to be no foreclosures for at least 60 days. Unemployment numbers continue to climb up, so I suspect that that 60-day moratorium will probably be continued. Okay, what else do you get? Well, the CARES Act has provided a 180-day suspension of the obligation to make mortgage payments. That 180-day period may be continued another 180 days. This applies to people who can show that they've been negatively impacted by the coronavirus, which is virtually all of us. Right? So what you need to do is you need to contact your loan servicer to see if you qualify for the 180-day suspension of mortgage payments. Now, we are all very busy at home. We're working from home. We're homeschooling. We're online all day trying to figure out how to get groceries delivered to us. We're very busy. The loan servicers are also very busy because they're being overwhelmed by the demand for mortgage forbearance. So you have to be patient. You have to spend the time on hold, waiting to speak with your mortgage servicer. You have to spend the time online, putting in the application. It's going to be a bumpy road, but ultimately, if you qualify, you're going to get that suspension of payment benefit. One issue that I'm flagging that I just don't have an answer to yet is if you escrow your tax and your insurance payments, what's going to happen if you're not making payments for 6 months? What's going to happen to your tax and what's going to happen to your insurance payments? We don't have a real answer for that yet. The federal legislation is silent on the issue, but it's a real issue. Take it up with your loan servicer when you talk to them and see if they have any guidance on how to handle that. Okay, that's what I have for today. Thanks for paying attention. Thanks for listening. Take care of each other. Love and light.